Let's talk about how to leverage Afterpay, Klarna, and ShopPay in your email marketing to show customers more payment options and boost sales. These flexible payment solutions can make a big difference in your conversion rates. First, integrate these payment options into your abandoned cart flows. Show customers how splitting payments will work, making it easier for them to complete their purchase. For example, highlight how they can pay in 4 easy installments with Afterpay or Klarna. Next, send out monthly campaigns explaining how these programs work. Educate your customers about the benefits like no interest or fees paid on time and the convenience of splitting their purchase into manageable payments. This helps remove any hesitation they may have about using these options. Add these payment options to the footer of each email. Make them a part of your unique value proposition by reminding customers that you offer flexible payment solutions with Afterpay, Klarna, and ShopPay. This constant reminder can encourage customers to shop with you, knowing they have multiple ways to pay. Additionally, I like to split test these different platforms in my email campaigns to learn which platform resonates more with customers. This way, I can optimize my strategy based on real customer preference. Integrating Afterpay, Klarna, and ShopPay in your email marketing can significantly increase your conversion rates and make shopping more convenient for your customers.